Welcome to Fireflies.ai. We built an AI assistant called Fred to automate busy work, starting with meeting notes and extending to email, Slack, and the tools you use every single day. So I want to walk you through the core features and help you get comfortable with how Fireflies works. Fireflies captures meetings across all your major video conferencing platforms. We'll start with the meeting bot. You can see upcoming meetings here, and Fireflies can automatically join based on your settings. If you don't want it to join every meeting, it's easy to change. Here's a Google Meet. You'll see the Fireflies note taker waiting to join. Once I let Fred in, it joins as a participant labeled with your name. As the conversation happens, Fred takes notes automatically. During the meeting, you get real-time notes and live transcription. You can ask Fred questions while the meeting is happening or generate a quick summary of what's been discussed. Everything updates live, which is helpful if you join late. If you're a salesperson, you can even use our Sales Assist mode to get real-time suggestions while the call is happening and when your prospect is asking questions. Fireflies supports over 100 languages. It can accurately transcribe meetings where multiple languages are spoken in the same conversation without you needing to configure anything. The transcription quality is best in class and has been refined over many years. It works in noisy environments and when people are having overlapping speech. There are other ways to capture meetings as well. If you don't want the bot in the call, the desktop app transcribes and takes notes in the background. For in-person meetings, use our mobile app or start recording directly from your browser using the web recorder. You can upload pre-recorded audio and video files. There's also a Chrome extension for Google Meet if you want to record without a meeting bot. Just make sure participants know the meeting is being captured and follow your local compliance requirements. After a meeting ends, everything is automatically organized in the notebook. Click on the Meetings tab to access the notebook, and you can go into one of the recent calls. Here, you'll see detailed notes with an overview, summary, bullet point notes, metrics, and timestamps. There's even a dedicated action items section with tasks assigned to participants. You will get full transcripts with speaker labels and timestamps. Clicking anywhere on the transcript will let you jump to that moment of the call and listen to what was being said. You can play the audio faster, download the transcript, notes, video, or audio in multiple formats. You can also ask Fred questions about the meeting, like what were the key takeaways or when was pricing discussed. On the left, the Smart Search panel lets you filter the conversation. You can find tasks, dates, questions, metrics, pricing, and sentiment. You'll also see speaker talk time and how fast each speaker was talking, along with other keyword trackers. Clicking on any of these takes you straight to that point in the conversation in the transcript. The notebook is where all your meetings live. Once they're done, it's fully searchable and easy to navigate. If you want answers across more than one meeting, you can use AskFred and Global Search. Instead of digging through recordings, you can ask questions like what objections came up this week or what blockers are trending across calls. Fred pulls answers from all of your meetings and shows you exactly where that information came from. Fireflies also includes a personal assistant mode. You'll receive a daily digest summarizing meetings, emails, and Slack messages in one place. You'll get meeting prep before calls and visibility into the main topics being discussed across conversations in your workspace. If you want deeper automations, turn on AI skills to automate tasks across every department. For example, Fred will fill out your CRM, evaluate deal risks, and extract objections from sales calls. For recruiting interviews, Fred will score candidates and draft follow-up emails. You can create custom skills or pick from the hundreds of skills available in the AI Employee Directory. Fireflies has over 100 integrations. Sync notes to your CRM like HubSpot and Salesforce, or push tasks to project management systems like Jira and Asana. You can even push your transcripts and notes to collaboration tools like Slack, Notion, and Google Drive. There's even a Zapier and N8N integration, along with our very own MCP. One of the newer products we're excited to announce is voice agents. Fireflies can run meetings on your behalf. That's right, you don't have to attend them. This includes screening interviews, discovery calls, check-ins, and other types of user interviews. You can set it up quickly, share a link to the call with anyone. The agent runs the call independently, and after the call, you'll see the transcript, summary, and insights just like any other meeting. We're also rolling out an email assistant to help you triage your inbox and draft emails, along with a Slack assistant that summarizes channels and lets you talk to Fred directly inside Slack. Security and privacy are core to Fireflies. We're SOC 2 Type 2 certified and compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, especially for doctors, and FERPA. For teams, Fireflies includes admin controls like user groups, data retention policies, private data storage, and analytics at the team and individual level. These features make it easy to roll out Fireflies securely across all of your organization. We're excited for you to get started and see how Fireflies can take the busy work off your plate. And we hope that Fred becomes your #1 AI employee.